Hello and welcome everyone. This is MrSovr with another PAD update video. PAD, if you do not know what PAD is my robot operating system that I've been working on for the past 5 to 6 months. Well, technically I've been working on it for like 5 years now, but the current version that I'm working on has been, yeah, roughly around 5 to 6 months. But anyways, in my previous video that I did, supposedly I said I was going to do a live stream with Feed the Beast Minecraft server, and you could use redstone and pressure plates and actually do stuff with it to interact with my robot operating system by using an app I made for it. That I'm not going to be doing, at least not anytime soon. I've postponed that for a very long time. What I think is really good to do right now is me trying to get the actual operating system working. Actually, technically, it's a virtual operating system, or virtual robot operating system. But anyways, so yeah, with Pad, I do have one question for any viewers. And just to make clear that I am actually going to be doing something cool with Pad. Don't get me wrong. Just because I'm postponing this live stream doesn't mean I'm not gonna promote it anywhere. Anyway, um, I'm gonna be doing cool stuff. I'm gonna be building robots, having to interact with my operating system, and then having video games such as, I don't know, maybe Elder Scrolls, Minecraft, definitely interacting with the game. There's really cool stuff. I'm gonna try to do like a Jarvis thing where it's gonna wake up and tell me everything. And it's probably gonna be a vlog or something. But I'm really close to getting done. I'm like, well, at least to the point where I think I'm comfortable doing the Kickstarter. I have been adding a few extra features I haven't really talked about, and that is a highly advanced GUI system. The reason why I want to do that is because I imagine there's developers out there that don't just want it for the robot. It could be for like a computer connected to machinery. But again, right now I only have the propeller working with it, the propeller chip from Parallax.com if you want to look at it. It's really cool. It's 8 cores, 100 megahertz. It's not the fastest, but it's good. I kind of like the chip. But anyways, I'm going to try to get to ARM processor. I'm going to get to ARM processor, get the vocal down perfect as much as possible. I can tell you one thing, it's not going to be perfect. Nothing's ever perfect. Siri isn't perfect. Yeah, Siri is even not perfect. And Siri, in my opinion, is one of the best voice engines out there and speech recognition. But um, yeah, I'm working with .NET, so I have Microsoft SAM, which in Windows 8 is actually really good. Windows 7 below, it's like, ugh. Anyways, so I'm going to get the ARM processor working with the robot operating system. Maybe something like Raspberry Pi, maybe, but that would definitely be during the Kickstarter, not during the actual thing. But anyways, also want to address that. I actually do have, well, of course, I already said the advanced GUI system. I do have a question about that, and if you could comment it, personal message me, or anything in the way of communicating, and if you know me personally, you can talk to me about it. I don't know, but if you want me to, I can either have the GUI or both, either way, but I want either the GUI to be in a separate program, or will it be a part of the main program? And the way that how that works is when it's in a separate program, and this is mainly for developers, so I kind of doubt that anyone that really looks at this is going to really know unless you're really a developer. I don't know. It could be all developers looking at this. But anyways, it's basically with the separate GUI, it's not attached to the main program. So when you make an app, you have to make an app for the GUI and the program. Now, what's the pros on that? Well, they're two separate programs, so I don't know. It's just less work on the main core program and the GUI. I don't know, something like that. The cons are you cannot really interchange information that easily, and it'll add difficulty to some developers. The actual other thing is having the program and the GUI as two things. Well, two things in one, basically. And that allows you to easily transfer information super quick, super easy. And it also makes it so that apps work in one program. I'm thinking to do the actual two-in-one thing, but I'm going to have an option of doing both. The only problem is with that is if I actually do both, it might interfere though, so I'm going to have it in developer mode only, so average Joe people, or average people, I have a friend named Joe, so anyways, average people, um, I can't stop thinking about that. Average people um, will not interfere with the GUIs or anything, and it won't screw up the program. I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain, but I don't know what the heck. I'm still gonna look at your opinions on that, but I'm thinking I might actually do both, but have one. But if for the average person, it's just a two-in-one thing instead of separate things. But anyways, let me see here. I need to be going somewhere eventually soon. So anyways, that's basically the update. I do have it where Pad can you can make apps for Pad through Lua and the custom commands. I do have GUI apps up and running, but at the moment I have them as two things. The GUI apps, I only have like you can place buttons and edit boxes and all this stuff through the Lua code. And then having a few minor functions like read this file, put this text there, and stuff like that. But the GUI will be really, I don't know, it would be really hard to do because there's like a million things you have to do, where the actual command line's just like probably 50 commands or something. But I'm trying to add utility commands for the developer, like move this file, copy this file, delete this file, and Lua, you can do that, but you have to do extra steps. I'm just trying to make it so it's one command and that's it. I'm basically enhancing Lua in a way, but so yeah, so Pad looks pretty good for now. His voice works. I do have apps working for him. He can look up stuff. He can learn stuff. He can add words to him. I'm getting mobile applications going a little bit. I can't publish them, so oh well. I do have a little bit of a I can't talk today. I'm sorry. Developer kit thing for iOS kind of working a little bit. Android, I have nothing at the moment. I do have a PC version of it where there's a server and a client. The server is going to be on Pad forever, just like that, but the clients are going to be iOS, Android, Mac, and PC. And, well, I probably won't add BlackBerry. It's not worth it. But anyways, it kind of all works together so you can, like, be on your phone and stuff and working with Pad and stuff like that. I might have, like, I'm mainly just selling the software, not hardware or anything. So the actual software I'm going to sell and all that. The hardware I'm just going to make my own thing. So maybe later on down the road, if this becomes a business, I will make hardware. But for now, I'm not making hardware at all. It's not open source software. You're gonna have to buy the software. I'm sorry, but I have to make some money. But anyways, so yeah. Anyways, I'm talking a lot. So thank you for watching. Make sure to comment your opinion on the question if you want. Also, share this video if you want. Tell your friends, and also share it on Facebook, Twitter, all that. Subscribe if you want. That'd be great. But thank you for watching. This is MrSovr, and see you later. And also, I will be getting the website up and running 100% soon for Pad. The Kickstarter hopefully will start in a couple weeks. If not, I'll extend it to a month. And hopefully I get something cool going with Pad so I can show off all the stuff and features. So what I am saying is actually true and not just you believing what I say. So see you later, guys. Thank you for watching.